it's the mentality change of what we're doing here is we're saying, you can set up triggers for pretty much anything that happens. We just need to know, when does it happen? And in order to know that, we need a date of some sort. And so, photography dates and staging dates and all these things, we've pretty much, put in some of the major ones in there. But every agent in every different city and state, even our Canadian friends, they have different dates, things that we don't use here in Missouri and things that you don't use in your area.
Even every company has the different dates.
Exactly. So by allowing you guys to create your own dates in here, being able to then turn those into routines and do that is a powerful piece. And it's a process we need to go through. Unfortunately, we can't just magically do it, but with the AI advent, I certainly think that will help a lot in the near future once I get that piece done. But at least you can go in there, you can create your own date fields and do what you need to.
Great. It's going to be so helpful.